start.
Good morning everyone, respected MD sir, principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to our annual presentation of our class 12th N. Today marks the culmination of a year filled with learning, growth and memorable experiences. This presentation is not just a showcase of our academic journey but also a reflection of our teamwork and creativity.
Over the past years, we have explored new ideas, faced challenges and celebrated achievements together. Through this presentation, we hope to share some of those highlights our projects, performances and moments that defined our final year of school life. We sincerely thank entire Nosegay management, our teachers for their constant guidance and encouragement, and our parents for their unwavering support. So sit back and enjoy as we take you through the glimpse of our journey of class 12. Now to start our assembly, I would like to call Mannat for prayer.
Now please stand up. Close your eyes and join your hands. Where the mind is without fear, and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been, broken into pieces, where the mind is led out, forward by thee, into ever-binding thought and action. My Father, let my country awake.
Every great occasion begins with this spark of inspiration, a thought that uplifts our minds and fills our hearts with positivity. So here we have Arshdeep Singh with us to inspire you all with this thought.
International competencies is not about mastering the world, but about meeting it with open arms. May I repeat my thought? International competencies is not about mastering the world, but about meeting it with open arms. Thank you.
With this thought, we begin our group discussion to discuss the ideas and thoughts based on the theme International Competency.
Good morning everyone. Today's discussion topic is International Competencies in a Globalized World. International professionals need to work efficiently across the borders. Let's start by learning what that means. Who would like to start?
Yes, international competency refer to the skill, knowledge, attitude that people well in diverse cultural and international community.
I agree, Ramlika. I would add that it's also about having a global mindset, being open to new ideas, understanding global issues, and able to collaborate with people from different backgrounds.
For instance, when you are working with teams in Japan or Germany, understanding their business etiquette and communication skills can make or break a professional relationship.
That's true. I would like to highlight language proficiency. Knowing different language helps to trust and reduces miscommunication. Even basic greetings in a local language can show respect.
But I think technology is changing things. With translation tools and AI, people don't need to speak multiple languages anymore. What matters more is empathy and adaptability.
Good point, Mandat. I would also like to mention cross-cultural teamwork. Remote work has the ability to manage time zone and cultural differences.
Excellent points. Now let's talk about why international competencies are important in today's globalized world.
They are critical for career growth. Companies now operate globally and employers want people who can represent them across the borders and handle global clients.
Exactly. Even local jobs require global understanding. For example, marketing professionals need to understand global consumer trends.
And international competencies also helps in preventing cultural misunderstandings that would damage business relationship or negotiations.
That's great insight. Now let's talk about some challenges in developing these competencies.
One challenge is ethnocentrism. People often assure their way of doing things in the best. Overcoming that mindset takes self-awareness and training.
Also, not everyone has a chance to travel or work abroad, so organizations need to provide virtual exposure like international training projects.
Yes, and universities can also include global competency programs like foreign exchange semesters and international internships.
Very good. Finally, let's talk about the future of how the future of international competencies will evolve in the next decade.
I think digital collaborations will become as important as cultural awareness. The future is hybrid, part virtual, part global.
And sustainability and ethics will become also part of international competence. People will need to understand global changes like climate change and social responsibility.
Exactly, Suryan. Citizenship will matter as much as professional skills.
Data literacy is a key skill. If you can read and understand global market and AI report, you can make decisions that respect different culture while being data driven.
Thank you, all of you, for your great insights.
Classical dance holds a special place. It is the embodiment of grace, devotion and discipline, a reflection of the rich Indian heritage. So for classical dance, I would like to call upon Harnaz and Priya. Thank you.
Drama is the mirror of society. It reflects our emotions, our strengths, struggles, and our dreams in most creative way. Now I would like to call students of my class for skit.
Class 12th N are here to present a skit based on the theme International Competency. It is about skills, communication, confidence, attitude, discipline, and the ability to adapt in a global environment. International competency is not just about marks. To show this, we will present two stories running parallelly. On one side, a student who is disciplined, respectful, hardworking, constantly improving himself. On the other side, a student who is careless, unprepared, and ignores every opportunity. These two paths start from the same point, school life, but their choices take them to very different destinations. One earns success and one learns a lesson. So with this, we present our skit, Two Paths, One Choice. We hope you enjoy and understand the message. Thank you. Scene 1, Classroom. In the classroom, we have Arjun, focused, disciplined and eager to learn. On the right side, we have Rohan, careless, distracted and always unprepared. Same school, same class, but two completely different attitudes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please have a seat. Arjun, start your speaking practice.
Good morning, ma'am. Today I will speak on self-discipline. Discipline helps us grow and prepare us well for global opportunities.
Excellent, Arjun. Clear voice, perfect confidence. Rohan, start your practice.
Ma'am, I didn't prepare. I forgot.
You always forget, Rohan. This attitude will cause problem for your future.
Scene 2, Parent-Teacher Meeting. Days passed and now it was the parent-teacher meeting. Two families walked in with the same hope but very different outcomes.
Mr. and Mrs. Sharma, I'm happy to say your son is excellent. Good grades, good communication and perfect behavior. He is very respectful towards his elders and proud to teach him.
We are so proud of you, Arjun.
Keep it up, son.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Mr. and Mrs. Mehra, Rohan is a wonderful child. He just needs to work a little on his communications. And little discipline will work.
We have a lot of expectations from you, Rohan.
We don't want your future to suffer, son. Relax, it's happened.
Your parents have lot of expectations from you, Rohan. You need to improve yourself. A little discipline will help you with this. Remember that. International dreams require discipline.
Okay, ma'am.
Scene 3, Home Life. Years moved forward. Both boys grew up, but their habits remained the same.
Hello, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Now, I should try again. Hello, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
You are improving every day, Arjun. I know your consistency and discipline will surely pay off. Keep going.
Hard work always pays off.
Thanks.
Rohan, still using phone, still on Instagram. Wake up, Rohan, wake up.
Don't worry. Why are you wasting your time? Do you think visas will come magically? Relax, it's happened.
Scene 4, Preparing for Visa Interview. After school, both decided to apply for a student visa. Once again, two different preparations.
Where are my documents? My passport? Why is everything so confusing?
Because you were never prepared.
Have you prepared for your interview?
Yes. All the documents are done. Interviews are checked. Language practice done. Language test done. All the files are completed. I think I am prepared for the interview.
Visa office. And now, the biggest moment, the visa interview. Two counters, two futures being decided.
Good morning. Why do you want to study abroad?
Good morning, sir. I have pursued computer science. I have completed projects, internships, communication courses, and studying abroad will give me global exposure. Here are my documents. Please check.
Excellent. Your preparation is outstanding. Your visa is approved.
Thank you so much, sir.
Why do you want to study abroad?
Actually, I just want to go there and like to explore.
Where are your documents?
Sir, I think I forgot my one file.
Good morning. Why do you want to study abroad? Your communication standards and discipline doesn't meet our standards. So your visa is rejected.
Rejected. Sir, please.
Final scene. Arjun exits happily. Rohin sits on chair sad.
I'm sorry, Rohan, about your result, but it's not the end. You can still change discipline, respect, attitude. There's open the international doors for you.
Now I understand the value of time.
Two boys, two lives, one dream. But dreams need effort, not excuses. International success belongs to those who prepare for it.
Your choices today will shape your tomorrow. Thank you.
Music is the language of emotion, and today we are about to experience in its most soulful manner. So, we have a beautiful Hindi song by Ashdeep Kaur and her team.
छाप तिलक सब चीरे हो से
soul. It gives words to our emotions, thoughts and feelings. Hindi poetry has a unique power. So please welcome Ramnika and Priya for Hindi poem.
कुछ करना है तो डटकर चल, थोड़ा दुनिया से हटकर चल। कुछ करना है तो डटकर चल, थोड़ा दुनिया से हटकर चल। लीड पर तो सभी चल लेते हैं, कभी इतिहास को पलटकर चल, कभी इतिहास को पलटकर चल।
बिना काम के मुकाम कैसा, बिना दाम के मेहनत कैसी, बिना मंजिल के इंतजाम कैसा, राह में आराम ना हो तो राम कैसा।
अर्जुन सा निशाना रख, मन में ना कोई बहाना रख। अर्जुन सा निशाना रख, मन में ना कोई बहाना रख। जो लक्ष्य सामने है बस उसी पे अपना ठिकाना रख। जो
सोच मत साकार कर, अपने कर्मों से प्यार कर। सोच मत साकार कर, अपने कर्मों से प्यार कर। मिलेगा तेरी मेहनत का फल, अब और किसी का ना इंतजार कर। अब और किसी का ना इंतजार कर।
जो चले थे अकेले उनके पीछे आज मेले हैं। जो चले थे अकेले उनके पीछे आज मेले हैं। जो करते रहे इंतजार उनकी जिंदगी में आज भी झमेले हैं। जो करते रहे इंतजार उनकी जिंदगी में आज भी झमेले हैं। थैंक यू।
They say music speaks when words fall short. Instrumental music has the power to paint pictures. So I would like to call upon stage Suryansh of our class to perform an instrumental performance. Prepared by Ramnika.
You're the one who picks me up, down, down. Love me, cry, dance, our bond is unbreakable, our friendship, everything. You're my bestie, my partner, everything on the world until you die. Vivid memories that last our lives. Together our friendship will thrive. You're the one I got when I'm feeling down. You're the one who picks me up, turn it around. We laugh, we cry, we dance, we sing. Our bond is unbreakable, our friendship, everything. You're my bestie, my partner in fun. We'll take on the world under the horizon. When memories that last our life, together our friendship will thrive.
Now we move to a segment that celebrates the expression, imagination, and language of beauty. English poem recitation by Angel and Sukhman.
Across the seas, beneath one sky, dreams and talents learn to fly. From every land, in every tongue, a global song is being sung.
No bound by walls nor marked by race, competency found its rightful place. Where minds unite and hearts align, the world itself begins to shine.
To know, to share, to understand, we build together hand in hand. For knowledge grows when shared with all. Barriers fall and borders.
With empathy as our guiding art, wisdom flowering heart to heart, and we rise beyond what nations name, our skills, our hopes, our goals the same. So let the learner cross the sea to seek to grow to simply be. For in
the world of unity
lives the power of competency.
Get ready to witness a fusion dance where Indian tradition meets global dance style. So please welcome students of my class for fusion dance.
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? But I remember Cotton Eye Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
borrowed words. They demand our own voice, our own feelings, and today we are proud to present a very special performance straight from the heart. We have a self-composition dedicated to the journey of school life, its joy, innocence, struggle, laughter, and unforgettable moments. एक उम्र वो थी जब स्कूल से जाने का मन नहीं करता था और एक उम्र ये है जब स्कूल से ही जाने का मन नहीं करता।
एक उम्र वो थी जब हम प्री नर्सरी में थे और एक उम्र ये है जब हम 12th पास करके स्कूल को छोड़कर जाने वाले हैं।
एक उम्र वो थी जब स्कूल पिंजरा लगता था और एक उम्र ये है जब इस पिंजरे से प्यार हो गया है।
एक उम्र वो थी जब पेंसिल टूटने पर रोते थे और एक उम्र ये है जब याद छूटने पर रो रहे हैं।
एक उम्र वो थी जब हम सोचते थे कि क्लास एक सजा है और एक उम्र ये है जब नीतू मैम ने सिखाया कि क्लास ही लाइफ का सबसे बेस्ट चैप्टर है।
एक उम्र वो थी जब पेंसिल से पेन पर आने पर सबने कहा अब गलतियां करोगे तो उन्हें मिटा नहीं पाओगे और एक उम्र ये है जब मोनिका मैम ने सिखाया कि गलतियां करोगे तभी तो आगे बढ़ोगे।
एक उम्र वो थी जब रिसेस का इंतजार होता था और एक उम्र ये है जब शिप्रा मैम और माथुर सर के पीरियड में डब्बा खुलता है।
एक उम्र वो थी जब सोचते थे घर जाके नींद पूरी करेंगे और एक उम्र ये है जब शरण मैम के पीरियड में नींद पूरी होती है।
एक उम्र वो थी जब आंखों में सपने और सपनों में रंग थे और एक उम्र ये है जब रजनी मैम ने इन रंगों को हकीकत में लाया और कागज, दीवार, जिंदगी हर चीज को रंगीन बनाया। रजनी मैम की दोस्त रानी जो है हम।
एक उम्र वो थी जब इंग्लिश का मुश्किल सब्जेक्ट लगता था और एक उम्र ये है जब विनीता मैम और निखिल सर ने ही सही शब्दों से जिंदगी भी सुंदर लगने लगती है।
एक उम्र वो थी जब स्कूल में घर की याद आती थी और एक उम्र ये है जब बाजवा मैम के अपनेपन की वजह से वो घर वाली फीलिंग आती है।
एक उम्र वो थी जब शूज के लेसेस भी बांधने नहीं आते थे और एक उम्र ये है जब जिंदगी की नई डोर बांधने जा रहे हैं।
एक उम्र वो थी जब इक्लेयर्स वाली टॉफी पसंद थी और एक उम्र ये है जब यारों साथ और ग्राउंड में मिलने वाली कॉफी पसंद है।
एक उम्र वो थी जब फ्रेंडशिप बैंड पर लिखा बेस्ट फ्रेंड फॉर एवर सबसे बड़ा वादा लगता था और एक उम्र ये है जब वो वादा एक याद बनने वाला है।
एक उम्र वो थी जब घर वालों का ताना वो कुएं में कूदेंगे तो तू भी कूदेगी का जवाब ना से देते थे और एक उम्र ये है जब जवाब हाँ से देते हैं।
एक उम्र वो थी जब रिपोर्ट कार्ड से डर लगता था और एक उम्र ये है जब स्कूल के आखिरी दिन से डर लगता है।
एक उम्र वो थी जब एग्जाम से एक रात पहले सारा सिलेबस रिवाइज करते थे और एक उम्र ये है जब एक रात पहले दोस्तों से एग्जाम किस चीज का है पूछते हैं।
एक उम्र वो थी जब स्कूल गेट सिर्फ एंट्री एग्जिट था और एक उम्र ये है जब वही गेट यादों का दरवाजा भर गया है।
एक उम्र वो थी जब टीचर्स की डांट बुरी लगती थी और एक उम्र ये है जब वही डांट उनके पैर का हिस्सा लगती है।
एक उम्र वो थी जब बैग भारी और दिल हल्का लगता था और एक उम्र ये है जब बैग हल्का और दिल भारी होगा।
प्राइमरी विंग से मिडिल विंग और मिडिल विंग से सीनियर विंग का सफर कब तय कर लिया पता ही नहीं चला ना।
अरे हम तो स्क्रैप बुक बनाया करते थे ना, पता ही नहीं चला कब प्रैक्टिकल फाइल्स बनाने लग गए।
एक उम्र वो थी से एक उम्र ये है तक का सफर को इतना खूबसूरत बनाने में सिर्फ हमारा नहीं बल्कि एमडी सर जिन्होंने हमेशा डिसिप्लिन एंड सिंप्लिसिटी सिखाई, निम्फिया मैम जिनके विश्वास और मार्गदर्शन ने आगे बढ़ने का हौसला दिया और सेतिया मैम जिन्होंने हमारी हर ट्रिप को इतना यादगार बनाया, एग्जामिनेशन सेल जिन्होंने हमारे सारे पेपर्स, स्केड्यूल्स और टेंशन को इतने प्यार और परफेक्शन से संभाला और दीदी, फूड कोर्ट, छोटा शॉप वाले भैया जो रोज मुस्कुरा कर अपने काम को दिल से करते हैं बहुत याद आएंगे।
एक उम्र वो थी जब कल मिलते हैं कहना आसान लगता था और एक उम्र ये है जब फिर कब मिलेंगे कहना मुश्किल लगता है।
थैंक यू।
Ashdeep, now we have other events to be followed.